So at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can forward someone's SMS onto your phone if you are using an Android phone. So do well to subscribe to my channel and share this video to 10 of your friends. And now let's start. First of all, you can see this is my partner's phone and this is my phone, and I want to divert all the SMS onto this phone, right? Good. So first of all, make sure you get to your husband's or your wife's phone, okay? And make sure you just searching for message web on your phone. Good. Message for web on your phone. Good. So when you are done, you come back to your wife's or your husband's phone. You click on these three lines right here and you click on device pairing, and you tap on this and use the camera to scan the QR code that you search on the message for web. Okay, so after scanning the QR code, you can see I can get all his message or her message on my phone. Okay, so this is very, very simple. My Telegram group is in the video description. Check it out, then join, and also make sure you share the video to your friends and subscribe for more. If it works for you, let me know in the comment section. Now let me see you in the next video.